In this video, you will learn how to insert a blank page in Microsoft Word. To get started, open up Microsoft Word. Make sure you have the document open where you want to insert that blank page. This could be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of your document. Next, click and place your cursor exactly where you want that blank page to appear. It's crucial to position it correctly, as this is where the new page will be inserted. Once you've placed your cursor, look towards the top of your screen and click on Insert. In the Insert tab, locate a section called Pages. Here, you'll find several options available for inserting various types of content into your document. Among these options is one labeled Blank Page. Simply click on it, and voila! A blank page will be inserted right where you had positioned your cursor earlier. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.